Hello, Annie. What happened? Why are you looking so sad?
Hello, Frau. I have confusions in Ohm-Zoo connector. Can you please resolve them?
Well, okay, Annie. Tension not. Let's clear your doubt. OMSU connector. OMSU is one such connector like while, when, etc. OMSU connector means so that. It is like damn it. It is used with only one type of subject. Concept of zoo plus infinitive is used at the end. The part with umsu becomes the subordinate sentence. Here we can cancel the modal verb if present. Questions with umsu generally starts with the question word wozu, which means for what purpose. Beispiel, example. Ich lerne Deutsch. Ich finde eine gute Arbeit in Deutschland. Ich lerne Deutsch, finde gute Arbeiter in Deutschland zu finden. Here we have conjugated finden and put it at the end